Before buying a battery tester, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Finding the right tester can save you money and the hassle of replacing batteries that still have life in them. Product number 1: D-Fanti-X Battery Tester. First up is the D-Fanti-X Battery Tester. Priced at just $7.98, this lightweight and compact tester caught my attention for its simplicity. If you want a straightforward way to check your batteries without any fuss, this is worth a serious look. This tester works with almost all household batteries including AA, AAA, C, D, 9V, and button cells. You simply place the battery in, and the needle on the analog display shows you if it's good, low, or needs replacing. With over 28,000 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's popular for a reason. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It helps prevent unnecessary waste by showing you if a battery still has juice left. Now, some people complained about the analog scale being hard to read in low light. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in a well-lit area, this isn't really a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and reliable tester that's easy to use. Skip this one if you prefer a digital display for clearer readings. For under $8, it's a solid value for anyone needing a basic battery checker. Now, if that simplicity bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach with a digital display. Product number 2: Tenergy T333 Universal Tester. Next on the list is the Tenergy T333 Universal Battery Tester, priced at $12.99. What really caught my eye was its LCD display, which makes it super easy to read. If you're looking for a battery tester that provides a bit more detail about battery health, this one's worth a serious look. It quickly tells you if your battery is poor, weak, or good. This is crucial because knowing the exact battery status can help you avoid overcharging rechargeable ones. With over 5,200 reviews and an impressive 4.6-star rating, it's a trusted choice. Here's why this matters for you. The accurate reading can extend the life of your batteries and save you money in the long run. Now, some users mention that the tester can be a bit sensitive and may give false readings if the battery isn't seated properly. But honestly, if you follow the instructions, that's easily avoidable. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable tester that gives you clear information. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with a digital interface. It's a good investment at around $13. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be even better for those who want high compatibility. Product number 3: D-Lifel Universal Battery Tester. The D-Lifel Universal Battery Tester comes in at $15.29 and is another fantastic option. I was impressed by its high compatibility with various battery types. If you want a tester that can handle almost anything, this is definitely worth a serious look. It works not just with standard batteries, but also with button cells, making it versatile for all your battery needs. The LCD screen is clear and easy to interpret, showing you whether your battery is good, weak, or poor. With around 1,100 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's gaining traction. Here's why this matters. Knowing your battery's health can help prevent damage from unnecessary recharges. Now, some people found the compactness a bit too small, making it awkward to hold for larger batteries. But honestly, I think that pocket size makes it convenient to carry around. This is perfect for you if you need a tester that's easy to store and transport. Skip this if you prefer a bulkier design for better grip. For just over $15, it's a good value. Now, if you prefer something even more portable, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 4: WePro Battery Tester. Next is the WePro Battery Tester, which is priced at just $6.98. The first thing I noticed was its lightweight and portability. If you're after a simple and effective tester, this one is worth a serious look. This tester works with all the common battery sizes and doesn't need any battery to operate. It provides quick readings, showing green for good, yellow for low, and red for replace recharge. With over 11,200 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's proven to be reliable. Here's why this matters for you. It's especially great for those who want a quick check without the fuss. Now, I did see some complaints about the lack of detailed readings compared to digital testers. But honestly, if all you want is a quick check, this simplicity might actually be a plus. This is perfect for you if you need something super easy to use without technical bells and whistles. Skip this one if you want detailed battery health metrics. For under $7, it's a really good deal. Now, if you're looking for an even more affordable option, the last product on our list might surprise you. Product number 5, D-Li-Ful B1L Battery Tester. Finally, we have the D-Li-Ful B1L Battery Tester, priced at $7.31. It's another compact and lightweight option that grabbed my attention. If you're looking for a reliable tester that doesn't take up space, this is worth a serious look. This tester is compatible with a wide range of batteries and displays health status with color codes: green for good, yellow for low, and red for replace. It's easy to use and gives quick results. With nearly 1,000 reviews and a strong 4.6-star rating, it's gaining a loyal following. Here's why this matters. It helps keep you updated on your battery's condition without complications. Now, some users mentioned that they had trouble with the battery alignment for accurate readings. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, it's easy to use. This is perfect for you if you want a compact tester that's effective. Skip this one if you need a detailed digital readout. For just over $7, it's a budget-friendly choice. So to recap, we've looked at the D-Fanti-X, Tenergy T333, D-Li-Ful Universal, WePro, and D-Li-Ful B1L testers. Each has something unique to offer, whether it's price, compatibility, or ease of use. Depending on your needs, there's definitely a battery tester here for you.